Have you ever wondered how much your beliefs shape your reality? It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? What we perceive about ourselves, what we think we are and are not, has a profound influence on our lives. Our beliefs can either be the wings that lift us to our highest potential, or the chains that bind us to our limitations. Enter the magic of the mirror. It's not just a piece of reflective glass. It's a tool, a catalyst for change. As we stand before it, we face not just our physical selves, but our inner selves too. Our fears, our hopes, our dreams, and yes, our beliefs. Here's where the magic happens. By consciously altering our self-perception, by daring to believe that we are more than our limitations, we can transform our reality. As we gaze into the mirror, we have the power to reshape our beliefs and in turn, our reality. Once upon a time, there was a woman who felt trapped by her own beliefs. She was a woman of strength and spirit, but she had allowed herself to be bound by chains of negativity. She believed she was unlovable. She saw herself as constantly ill, and she felt she was perpetually strapped for cash. These beliefs were a heavy burden, impacting every facet of her life, and she felt powerless to break free from them. Day after day, she would look into the mirror and repeat these beliefs, each word digging deeper into her soul. She was stuck in a cycle of self-limiting beliefs, a cycle that seemed impossible to escape. But then, as if by magic, she stumbled upon a concept that would forever change her life. It was called mirror magic. At first skeptical, she decided to give it a try. After all, what did she have to lose? Every morning, she would stand in front of her mirror, and instead of repeating her old, limiting beliefs, she would state new, empowering ones. She would look into her own eyes and say, "I am loved, I am healthy, I am financially abundant." The changes didn't happen overnight. They were subtle at first, a smile here, a laugh there. But as days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, she began to notice a transformation. Her health improved, her finances started to stabilize, and she began to attract love into her life. These weren't just coincidences. They were the direct results of her new beliefs. She had harnessed the power of mirror magic. Through this practice, she was able to rewire her brain, to replace her self-limiting beliefs with empowering ones. She learned that our beliefs are not static, they can be changed. And when we change our beliefs, we change our reality. Through the power of mirror magic, she transformed her beliefs, and with them, her life. She found love, regained her health, and attracted abundance. And remember, this power is not exclusive to her. It's within all of us, waiting to be unlocked. Now it's your turn to experience the transformative power of mirror magic. The magic starts with you and the mirror. It's about peering into your reflection and seeing not only who you are, but also who you aspire to be. It's about acknowledging your dreams, hopes, and ambitions and stating them out loud with conviction. Start by standing before the mirror, gazing deeply into your own eyes. Let your gaze be steady and full of self-love. Now, begin with a simple affirmation. It could be something as straightforward as, "I am deserving of all the good things in life." Speak it out loud, let your voice fill the room. Remember, it's not just about saying the words, but truly believing them. Feel the words resonate within you. Feel them dissolve any doubts or inhibitions. You may feel a little strange at first, and that's perfectly normal. It's not every day we stand in front of a mirror and talk to ourselves. But keep going, keep affirming. Over time, these affirmations will become your reality. You might want to change the script sometimes, and that's fine. The key is to always keep it positive and empowering. From I can't to I can, from I don't have to I have. Let the transformation begin within you. You have the power to change your beliefs and shape your reality. Who do you see when you look in the mirror? The magic isn't in the mirror, it's in you. Your beliefs shape your reality. When you look at your reflection, make sure you see someone capable, deserving, and loved. Practice this mirror magic every day. Transform your thoughts, your words, and your life. The power isn't in the glass, but in the person gazing back. Please subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments. Your insights are valuable to us. Remember, the magic is in you.